outside.
Well, you can't see through those windows anyway, Nick. You can't see through those windows anyway. No, you can't see through those windows.
Take it down.
You can't see through those windows.
Take it down. Forgot.
Hold on. There's room. I don't know if there's room. Then I can't get out. You can't, baby. Then I won't be able to get out. Hold on.